a surprise tool that can help us later.
Oh gosh, what'd she get?
Oh wow, we were just talking about that.
Prudence is going to bring us our mouse tools when we need them. Now that we've got our mouse tools, we can go look for the hidden treasure. Step number 1. Color the big square on the red book blue.
That means first we have to find a red coloring book with a big square on it. Then we have to color the square blue.
Let's go look in the clubhouse library. Come on. First, we have to pick out all the red coloring books. Which books are red? You got it. Now, which of these red coloring books